Mitel One provides a search bar that is at the top of the screen, no matter what screen you are in. This search bar searches all information, including messages, streams, and the company directory. When results are returned, you see the number of times there is a match in each category. To narrow the information displayed in the search results, select the column header. Depending on your selection, you are provided additional filtering or searching on the right-hand side. In this case, we selected messages and are provided options to select the date range for the search. When we select streams, we are provided public streams or private streams. When we select all, we see all matches for our entered search characters. If you hover your mouse toward the end of any line here, you are provided some quick actions, such as starting a video conference when on a contact. With search at your fingertips, it makes retrieving information easy.